Welcome to the Biomanufacturers Direct YouTube Surface Preparation Learning Series, where today Josh tackles a typical floor prep project. The owner would like to change the aesthetics of the floor by installing a simple color dye. However, as we're all aware, a new decorative solution can't be applied without first proper surface preparation. What separates professionals from amateurs, profits from losses, and success from failure is job site awareness. Going to a prep job blind can cost thousands of dollars in wasted resources, lost time, and provide less than a desirable and acceptable result. With that, Josh's first objective is to analyze the properties of the concrete. This is easily and efficiently accomplished by conducting a strength test using a staple process utilized to measure the density of hardness of minerals. In short, a Mohs hardness test can tell us how hard the surface is based on a tried and true geological analysis. Why is this important? The test hones in on the hardness of the concrete, which in turn provides a scientific indicator as to which diamond grit and bond is best to be used for this specific slab. As with any project, it's highly recommended and good practice to grind a test spot. This will ensure you've selected the right diamond, estimate an overall productivity, and inspect the floor for scratch uniformity. For this residential project, Josh is utilizing both the power and versatility of the PrepMaster Junior. Unlike its inferior look-alike counterparts, STI incorporates their proven PrepMaster technology and quality parts into the construction of this standalone grinder. Because Josh is operating the Junior dry, silica is spread on the surface in combination with a light water mist. Silica both sharpens the tools as they cut and keeps the diamonds cool, which in turn extends their life. This slab was installed well and finished with a power trowel, and ultimately scratched at a 7 or 8 on the Mohs hardness test. Given the mill thickness of the soon-to-be installed decorative die, and in combination with the results of the hardness test, a full-faced 70 grit diamond is selected as the best option to meet the specific profile criteria as indicated by the color dye manufacturer. A 70 grit diamond leaves an effective profile that packs scratches tightly together, which provide a uniform profile pattern. Josh was able to efficiently profile 1,200 square feet of surface space in just over 3 hours. Not a bad day's profit for a few hours' work. This concludes this Biomanufacturers Direct Learning Series segment. To learn more about any of the products or processes used in today's video, please reach out to your Biomanufacturers Direct customer support representative. And as always, if you found today's video informative, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to select that bell icon to be notified when we post a new video.